So I want to do a quick follow video about how to test the assembly before you actually install it into your car when you first get it. I had done a video just previous to this one about replacing the OEM turn signal with one that I liked. It had a little bit more unique look and coloration and etc. and a little brighter. In order to light that circuit up, what you want to do is disassemble the housing. There's a simple tab that lets you pull up right there, and that lets this middle piece slip out. Oops, let me get out of the camera here. Slip out. And then if you put wire leads in pins 3 and opposite of 3, which is 11, so it looks like that. There's like one on each side. Then you can attach a 12-volt power supply, and you can see that it lights up as per the last time I did it. Well, we can also test the folding of the mirror also. So we can test the actual mechanism, see if it works prior to installing. Before I get there, just to let you know, the positive is pin 11, the negative is pin 3. So if you need that, there you go. So the motor assembly for this guy is located right here. These are the cables for it. And those cables are purple and blue. So by looking at the end of the connectors here, you can see that there is on pins 9 and 10, the two end pins are purple and blue. So if we insert our leads into those two and trigger this also with a 12-volt source, we can actually fold the mirror to check to see if it's working. Polarity is a little bit different because you reverse the polarity to expand the mirror or open the mirror versus closing the mirror. So I'm going to just try this out right now. 12 is my negative, and then 9 is my negative, and 10 is my positive, and that's not correct. So it must have hit the switch on the end, so I'll swap it. So now 10 is my negative, and 9 is my positive. And once it reaches the end, it will stop. The circuit will terminate. But as you can see, it's folded, and we now have a folded state to get an idea that the motor is working perfectly fine and everything is behaving like it should. So to fold it back, we just reverse that polarity, and we hook it back up. And it will stop. So we have verified that the assembly, the motor assembly, is working as well. It's a quick tip. So if that helps, let me know. Otherwise, we'll keep continuing.